So I spent the first day here at Davos talking to and listening to oil producers and consumers about the oil price drop. Obviously the main difference between this time last year and now, it's dropped below $50. And the issue being raised is one of uncertainty, really. It's adding to the uncertainty, not knowing where the price is going to be. I've just come from a session where Claudio Descalzi of ENI, the Italian oil company, talked about the need for a central bank for oil that would provide stimulus where necessary and stabilisation where necessary. Not sure that's going to happen, but it does sort of sum up the mood of some of the producers. Having said that, there's a second strand which says that this is a potential opportunity. A lot of the producers are remembering that the price was even lower than this in the 80s and 90s, and that was an occasion when they kept projects to budget. They were able to wring efficiencies out of their business, and they're doing that now. I just talked to a small independent producer who says that they're cutting away at the fat and not yet into the bone, not creating major problems. So that's a certain optimism. I was told that last night they met for 3 hours, the oil and gas community, together with some of the services companies, in a private meeting under the auspices of the forum, in which they discussed whether really any of the things that they had been talking about over the last year were still relevant because of the oil price drop. And they mostly concluded, yes, they were. Things like the search for talent and skills, relations with the oil service providers, and the need to innovate are still relevant parts of things that might get a spur as a result of the change in the price. Finally, of course, they're optimistic, possibly self-interestedly, about things returning to normal in the oil price market. Of course, the big question for producers and for consumers, some of whom I've heard about obviously benefiting from the oil price drop, is what price is normal. And nobody, even the experts, is prepared to bet on that.